Well, it feels like a week, a month. God, I've lost count of how many bad remaps we've fixed up here, or these sons of mine have fixed up. It's ridiculous. Here's another one in here. It's had a remap done on it, and it seemed to go like it was going okay. Maybe give us a bit of a story, Master Baden, as to what you have sort of seen and done.
So with this one, already had a tune on it, pre-existing tune. We thought, oh, it's a little bit lethargic on the road, a bit smoky and everything. What we ended up finding was it's running a 12 AFR and leaning up, they call it, to about a 16 AFR. So extremely rich, a lot of fuel going in, basically just pouring the jerry can of diesel in. So,
great for an XR6 turbo.
yeah, made for a petrol, not a diesel. So we've put it back to standard, done a standard run, and then we've done our tune. And as you can see on the graph here, this is your air-fuel ratio graph. It was running a 16 with that big tune on it, not even a big tune.
Right down the bottom, that's easy to see.
20 and 20 standard versus our tune. So we keep a factory AFR whilst getting better results. So ours is the yellow and the red is the tune he had on it.
Okay, so blue standard, yellow's got our custom tune, and red was the bad one. Now it looks like we've been able to keep the power, maybe get a little bit better without any of the fuel. Half the amount of fuel going in.
That's it, and keeping the boost levels pretty much the same really. You know, you're not having a massive peak in boost coming up to 15, 16. So
the red one had a boost coming in a little bit earlier, I guess, with all that fuel pouring in.
that's it.
But the peaks are pretty much on par with the same. Of course, there's standard down the bottom, which is not tuned. So there's no magic in this one, just too much fuel.
That's it, as we always see.
So there's a little bit more than just flashing stuff up. We see it all the time. You see some crazy things from the laptop end where the actual tuning's happening. Also some really weird things when the boys pull tunes apart. So there's tuning, and then there's bad remapping. And as far as we're concerned, there's no place for bad remapping, but there's plenty of them out there getting sold and money being taken, and it goes okay for a while, but then eventually the customer gets a feel for it and goes, I'm not really happy with this, and all of a sudden our phone rings. Well, Baden, thanks very much for your time and input and your information there, and for fixing this customer's car. We'll catch you later.
As ever.
Well, you can see more of these videos. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, anywhere else you can see us online, I guess is what it comes down to, where you can find out more about looking after your diesel properly and particularly tuning it properly.